Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back to celebrate 5 years of RhythmBot with the various music listening parties that are going on right now on RhythmBot's community server here on Discord, where they're having one last hurrah before the bot has to cease operations on September 15th, 2021. So if you aren't familiar with what's going on, RhythmBot got a cease and desist letter from YouTube based upon the fact that they strip out the audio from videos, play it on Discord, do a whole bunch of other things like adding audio effects and removing ads and all these other things that are against the terms of service for using YouTube's API to do stuff with their videos. So after all these years, 5 years going on 6, they finally decided that it's time to pull the plug on various music bots. So today, RhythmBot community and the developers have set up various stage channels where you can come in and party with everybody, listen to some great music, and celebrate the 5+ years of great music that they've been sharing with the Discord community before it gets shut down for a while. Now, I will also mention that you can jump in here too. I'm going to put the link to join the party in the video description, but it's not the complete end of RhythmBot or bots in general for Discord music bots. So what's going on is the function of being able to play songs off of YouTube has to be removed from all of these bots, or else they're probably going to continue to get cease and desist letters until they cease operation. RhythmBot has already said that they're working on a new project that they're going to be announcing / launching in the coming months that does something completely never before seen in like the music scene / industry / Discord. That might mean they're trying to create their own music streaming service that doesn't require them to be a part of YouTube. That could also mean that they're just using other services to use and for streaming music to Discord. So they just don't need to use YouTube. Several other bots have been doing that. HydraBot from the makers of Groovy have been doing that. Chip, the music bot Chip, has already done that. So you definitely have some options for other bots that are now cease and desist proof. And as they change over in the coming weeks, I'm going to compile a list of my top favorite picks for bots that are cease and desist proof. Unfortunately, we'll have to wait and see what the quality is like for those bots and see how they perform when they don't have access to YouTube for quick and easy searching for music. But for right now, I think it's really cool that there's literally thousands of people who have popped into RhythmBot's community so that they can share memories and of what great times they had with friends listening to RhythmBot. They can talk about things in the general chat, share information about the shutdown. Generally just enjoy the various listening parties going on. I'm in the EDM one here. The top, there's fluctuating between 400 and 500 people all together in this listening party right now in the stage channel. So it's been pretty cool. There's also a rap listening party and a pop listening party, and then just a bunch of other people on all these other channels. So I would totally recommend popping in and seeing what the craziness is about and celebrating the great times that you had with RhythmBot. That said, it's going to be interesting to see what goes on with these bots moving forward. This might just mean that the bots are going to kind of pitter off, and there'll only be a couple of pretty decent quality bots that stream from SoundCloud, Bandcamp, Spotify, maybe Pandora. Who knows? We'll have to see what they end up figuring out. It was really easy to integrate with YouTube, but clearly that ship has sailed. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is going on right now, and you can pop in and celebrate together with everybody for free on the RhythmBot community server. Links in the video description. Pop in, join us. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody.